Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn about metaphors and how we can use them to make our writing more colorful and descriptive. A metaphor is a comparison in which one thing is said to be another. For example, she is a walking dictionary. The girl is being compared to a dictionary. This type of statement usually means the girl knows a lot of different words. A metaphor does not use the words like or as to make the comparisons between the different objects. Again, keep in mind that a metaphor does not use the words like or as to make the comparisons between the different objects. Here's an example. Noah has the heart of a lion. In this statement, the comparison is being made without the use of like or as. It is comparing Noah's heart to that of a lion. This type of statement usually means that the person is very brave and courageous. Sarah is always a clown in class. Sarah is being compared with the clown. This type of statement usually means that the person is goofy and acts funny like a clown. He is a shining star. The man is being compared to a star. This type of statement usually means that the man is very bright and intelligent. Her long hair was a flowing golden river. Her hair is being compared to a long flowing river. This means that her hair is golden and it is long. Life is one long, scary roller coaster. Life is being compared to a roller coaster. This means that life usually is filled with ups and downs. My mother is a fuzzy teddy bear. The mother is being compared to a fuzzy teddy bear. This means that the mother is lovable, cozy, safe, and secure. Kelly has a heart of gold. Kelly's heart is being compared to gold. This means that Kelly is very kind and giving. How can you use metaphors to make your writing more colorful and descriptive? Let's look at an example and find out how. I saw the sun above the rooftop in the distance. Though the rest of my family climbed into the car, I remained glued to the spot, staring. The fuchsia ornament decorated the sky, staining the clouds rich shades of reds, pinks, and oranges. In this example, the writer already mentioned the sun earlier in the paragraph. So the reader knows that the writer is comparing the sun with an ornament, even though the word sun isn't in the sentence with the metaphor. The word spot is a reference being made to the sun. The words fuchsia ornament is also referring to the sun. The sun is being compared to an ornament. Here it is also referring to the sun as a spot. That is a fuchsia ornament. It is decorating the sky and staining the clouds with its different colors. Your job now is to find the metaphors. Here's an excerpt from the chapter called Hares from the book called The House on Mango Street by Sandra Cisneros. Let's begin. Everybody in our family has different hair. My papa's hair is like a broom, all up in the air. And me, my hair is lazy. It never obeys barrettes or bands. Carlos's hair is thick and straight. He doesn't need to comb it. Nanny's hair is slippery, slides out of your hand. And Kiki, who is the youngest, has hair like fur. But my mother's hair, like little rosettes, like candy circles, all curly and pretty because she pinned it in pin curls all day. Sweet to put your nose into when she's holding you and you feel safe. Is the warm smell of bread before you bake it. Is the smell when she makes room for you on her side of the bed, still warm with her skin, and you sleep near her, the rain outside falling and Papa snoring, the snoring, the rain, and Mama's hair that smells like bread. Were you able to locate all the metaphors? Let's see how well you did. And me, my hair is lazy. It never obeys barrettes or bands. This statement is comparing the hair to someone being lazy. Nanny's hair is slippery, slides out of your hand. This statement is comparing the hair to something slippery. My mother's hair is the warm smell of bread before you bake it, is the smell when she makes room for you on her side of the bed, still warm with her skin. In this statement, the mother's hair is being compared to the smell of bread, and also it is being compared to the smell of the mother's comfort. And notice how the mother's hair has been mentioned in the beginning of the paragraph. It is not exactly connected to the sentence where the comparisons are being made, but we know that this comparison is referring to the mother's hair. Let's check for understanding. Which of the following is a metaphor? A. Friendship is golden. B. Friendship is a good thing. C. Friendship is as strong as rope. D. Friendship is like peanut butter and jelly. Please pause the video and write your correct answer down in the notebook. Which of the following is a metaphor? A. Hair is a bird's nest. B. Hair is very straight. C. Hair as neat as a pin. D. Hair as messy as a rag doll's. Again, pause the video and write the correct answer down. Which of the following is a metaphor? A. Dark as the dirt. B. The sun is yellow. C. Bright as the sun. D. None of the above. Be sure to write the answer down. Which of the following is a metaphor? A. Quiet as a mouse. B. Tiny like a mouse. C. Tina is an ant. D. Ants are bugs. I hope you wrote down all the correct answers. Let's find out how well you did. So, which of the following is a metaphor? Friendship is golden. Yes, you're correct. Friendship is being compared to gold. Great job. Let's keep going. Which of the following is a metaphor? Hair is a bird's nest. Hair is being compared to a bird's nest. Great work. Which of the following is a metaphor? None of the above? Yup, you're correct again. The dirt is actually dark. The sun is actually yellow, so it is not being compared to anything. The sun is also very bright. In this case, there were no comparisons being made. Let's keep going. Which of the following is a metaphor? Tina is an ant. Yes, you're correct, because Tina is being compared to an ant. Let's look at this passage and see if we can find the metaphors. My grandmother is a fragile autumn leaf. It twists and turns with the slightest of breezes and can be crushed easily underfoot. The leaf was once a lovely ornament on an old oak tree, but has now grown old and has fluttered into the hands of the wind. It has many tears and holes on the crisp outer layer, and the veins have long since ceased to function. But yet it remains floating through the clean sky. It's almost as if it's willing itself to keep from touching the ground. I wish the leaf had never fallen. My brother is a circus. The red and white striped tent is buzzing with the yaps and cheers of a colorful crowd. The aroma of fresh popped corn and licorice wafts through the heavy air as small children's eyes shine with joy as they marvel at their newly bought balloons. Animals in hats and petticoats bounce about behind the curtains as rainbow lights gleam and glow in every direction. The dirt floor leaves a dark dust on the soles of people's feet. The circus never sleeps. Were you able to find the metaphors? Let's see how you did. My grandmother is a fragile autumn leaf. The leaf was once a lovely ornament on an old oak tree. The grandmother is being compared to a leaf, and the leaf is being compared to an ornament. My brother is a circus. The brother is being compared to a circus. The red and white striped tent is buzzing with the yaps and cheers of a colorful crowd. The tent is being compared to something that is buzzing. This circus never sleeps. The circus is being compared to something that sleeps. Let's look at some metaphorical explanations now. So, the metaphorical statement is my grandmother is a fragile autumn leaf. And the explanation is the grandmother is being compared to a dry, crispy leaf. Metaphorical statement the leaf was once a lovely ornament on an old oak tree. And the explanation is in this statement the leaf is being compared to an ornament. The metaphorical statement is my brother is a circus. The red and white striped tent is buzzing with the yaps and cheers of a colorful crowd. The explanation is that the brother is being compared to a circus and the tent is being compared to something that buzzes, like a bee, for example. The metaphorical statement is the circus never sleeps. The explanation is that the circus is being compared to something that sleeps. In today's lesson, we learned about metaphors and how we can use them to make our writing more colorful and descriptive. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.